Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel of Coding Ninjas, right? So in this video we're going to discuss the mistakes that you should avoid while solving problems. So I believe the number one mistake that you should avoid while problem solving, like be it solving on some online platform like Code Studio or in a contest or even during like an online interview, is not reading the problem twice, or just like not reading the problem carefully. Like this happens so much with so many people so frequently that we somehow we are in a hurry and we read the question wrong, and फिर हम उसी गलत क्वेश्चन पे अप्रोच बनाने लग जाते हैं एंड लाइक बहुत सारा टाइम वेस्ट होता है. तो जैसे एक मेरा इंटरव्यू था, तो उसमें मैंने जल्दबाजी में क्वेश्चन को लाइक गलत पढ़ लिया, राइट. तो बेसिकली उसमें लिखा था कि आर्य को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में सॉर्ट करना है, एंड मैंने बिना सॉर्ट करे वो आर्य कर दी, एंड लाइक मेरे रॉन्ग आंसर बार बार आए जा रहे हैं, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा क्यों आ रहा है, एंड लाइक actually I wasted like half an hour on that. And then when I read the question again and I saw, oh my god, I just read the question wrong initially. That is a really bad moment to have. Like you really don't feel very good, and it also like wastes a lot of potential. Like let's say competitive programming contest chal raha hai, and like I didn't read the question carefully, and like it gives you a wrong answer. And in competitive programming especially, it's like really bad because on every wrong answer you are penalized, like maybe some points or some time penalty. So you know what, if you really are solving problems regularly, which is really good, always read the question twice or even just carefully. So मेरा thumb up rule जो है कि मैं एक बार initially problem को पढ़ता हूँ जल्दी like a bird's eye view, and then I reread it so that I don't miss anything and I understand the problem even better, क्योंकि it's much better to read the problem twice rather than making a wrong approach or not the perfect approach according to the question and then wasting a lot of time, right? Don't make this mistake. So read the question always carefully and preferably twice. So I hope you like this video. So if you liked it, do like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Coding Ninjas. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.